Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to send the coins to your friend in Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to know that, you just simply have to open Hamster Kombat into your Telegram, and after opening that you will get to see this homepage. Simply open Hamster Kombat, and after that you just simply have to go into this friend section. Now the catchy part here is you cannot directly send coins to your friend in Hamster Kombat, but what you can do is invite a friend of yours into Hamster Kombat by using your referral link, and your friend will get 5000 coins and you will also get 5000 coins. If you invite a friend to a Telegram Premium, you will get 25,000 coin and you will also get the same. This way you can give or get money into Hamster Kombat for you and your friend. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.